All right, today we're taking a look at the AutoCast Mirror Touch. Let's go ahead and talk about the basics first. Then we'll get into the special thing about it. So first things first, this is gonna allow you, if you have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto pre-wired in your car, you're able to use this to make a wireless connection. So this is what it actually looks like. You can see it's just a small device, and on either side, you've got your regular cable connection here, which is going to be like an old school USB. So even if you have an older car, this is going to work. But if you've got a newer car, it does come with this adapter, which is going to be a USB type C, and you just basically push this down and it will connect right in, and then you can connect this into your car. Now on the other side, you've got a USB type C, and this is going to be what goes into your phone. So if you're going to be utilizing this for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, then you can basically just plug this in and it will work by connecting it via Bluetooth. Or if you're going to be using the special feature on here, which is basically going to be the iPhone mirrored screen. So the cool thing about this is you're able to actually play things like YouTube, Netflix, anything like that where you can mirror, then you're able to actually play it here onto your screen, which is a huge benefit compared to a lot of these other connectors for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is especially cool when you're going on, let's say, like a road trip, and maybe your passenger wants to watch something, then you could actually just throw it up on the screen and you can bypass the default settings that it has. So that is the huge advantage of using the AutoCast over the competitors. Plus, that's going to give you a big advantage over the Auto Mini. So this is the AutoCast Mini, and this kind of does the wireless connection. You can see how small this is. It's almost the size of, let's say, like an earbud, and you're able to just plug this directly in the car. You can easily connect to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but you're not able to do the screen mirroring. You got to have that physical connection that the original AutoCast has. So if you're looking for something to easily connect to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, plus have that auto screen mirroring, you can also do your horizontal or vertical. So if you're looking for a connection for any of those, then I would highly recommend picking up this AutoCast.